Welcome guys. Welcome to the next tutorial of Anybody Can Automate. Today we will learn how to write our code for Mozilla Firefox, and also we will see how to run the code into the Mozilla Firefox. So let's start our coding for Mozilla Firefox. I'm just opening my Eclipse, and here you can see in the last tutorial I have shown you how to create a Java project, and into that project I have created a package. Here it is showing as the default, and into that we have created our last class. Now into the same into the same package, I'm going to create another class, and I'm naming the class as, let's say, running code into Firefox, let's say, and click on the public static void main. So our class is ready to go. So to write the code for the Firefox, we have to first declare a variable, and the type is WebDriver. So I'm doing that same WebDriver. I'm giving the name as driver. So you can see here my Eclipse is complaining because it is not finding any some it is facing some problem, or it is not finding some references, you can say. So it's a very good thing that whenever we are using any IDE like Eclipse or NetBeans or any other things like Visual Studio or any other things, so every time it's complained if it is not finding the appropriate one. So if I now hovering over it, it is now showing me what is the possible solution, and you have to choose the which is the best solution for it. So let's say, so here the D's would be the in caps. So now if I hovering over it, you can see the finding the solution. The first solution is the import WebDriver. That is, you can see I have not imported the reference of the Selenium package, so I'm importing it. So the problem is finished now. So now I have to use the driver to open the Firefox. By default, Selenium is integrated with the Firefox, and Firefox is the base driver for the Selenium. So no special code is required for the Firefox. You will find some special things or some special configuration for other browsers when we will learn how to run the code into the other browsers like IE or Chrome or Safari or etc. So for here I have initialized that. Let's say now define another variable, that is, suppose it's just base URL, the URL I want to access. So let's say it's http www dot, let's say any URL like google.com. So that's my base URL which I want to access. Now how I have to open the URL into the browser, that is the next step, that is driver, and I'm calling the first I have to initialize the driver with new Firefox driver. You can say here it is, that new Firefox driver. I'm initializing the driver with the Firefox object, and now driver dot I want to open. So you can see all the uh, options, all the methods related to the driver into the driver class you can find here. So you have to choose your best one. So let's say navigate, you can check, or you can take the get, and you have to pass the best URL. Caps. So that's all. Let's my code is ready. Now let's test it whether it's working fine or not. So I'm running it. Let's run as Java application only. So it's initializing the Firefox driver, and you can see it's opened the google.com. closing it for your reference. Let's check it whether it's really opening your browser or not, because sometimes Google is the default page for your browser. Let's check Facebook browser. So you can see here it's already opened the Firefox, and then it's redirected to the facebook.com. So that's all for running the code for the Firefox, and stay tuned for the next lecture. Thank you.